We're recording the kitchen side of the house. We're going to call this the north side sewer line at 2839 31st Ave West. Dates June 30th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the hole we just dug here where this kitchen line connects to the main sewer line. So we're going to pull back from this point. I've got the footage zeroed out. Go ahead and come back, Billy. So 4-inch diameter sewer line. We are upside down right now. Let me fix that. So we'll call that 25 feet of that 4-inch diameter line back to the kitchen line where it makes that turn. Let's go down now, please, Billy. Heading downstream now towards where this neighboring house ties into this line. Come back just a little bit there, Billy, please. There's the neighbor's connection point there. Let's do this. I'm going to zero out again and come back. All right, go ahead, come back, please, Billy. So we'll call that, go right to the edge of there real quick, please. We'll call that 12 feet downstream to where that neighbor ties in. That's good, thank you, Billy. Ending the video.